front office department. Today we'll show you how we work together to give every guest a smooth hotel experience.
Mabuhay lang!
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Grand Aurelia. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I have a reservation under your Iron Michelle.
Of course, ma'am. May I see your ID, please? Thank you, ma'am. Let me coordinate with our reservation officer to confirm your booking. Miss Stephanie? Yes, confirming Loayong 3 days. Deluxe room with breakfast. Everything looks good. We handle all reservations, online, phone, and walk-ins.
May I have your signature here, ma'am? Also, we have 50% down payment policy upon check-in. Miss Jamila, kindly assist.
Good morning, ma'am. Your initial payment is 5,000. You may pay by cash, card, or GCash.
I'll pay through GCash.
Payment received, ma'am. Here's your official step.
Before we give you a room, ma'am, let me check with the housekeeping for the room status. You may sit on the lobby while waiting. Hello, Mr. Ronald. This is Farah from Front Desk Department. I would like to ask for the status of Deluxe Room 304.
Hello, Miss Farah. Room 304 is now clean and ready for occupancy. The guest may now proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Ronald.
Mabuhay, good morning, ma'am. Allow me to help you with your luggage. This suite, please.
Michelle, while our bellman assists you with your bags, may I share some attractions nearby? We have Nature's Park just 5 minutes away and island tours available. I handle guest inquiries, local attractions, and special requests.
Mabuhay Madayo, ma'am. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I'll be checking out now.
May I have your room key, ma'am? I'll just verify it for you. Ma'am, it shows 1 minibar charge for 250 pesos. I'll check housekeeping to confirm your room condition. Good day, Mr. Ronald. Room and station for 304, please.
Room 304 inspected. No damages. Only one minibar item consumed.
Thank you. Ma'am, your total balance is 250 pesos. Ms. Jamila will assist with that. Ma'am, your total is 250 pesos. How would you like to settle?
I'll pay through cash.
Here's your official receipt, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for staying with us, ma'am. We hope you had a comfortable stay, have a safe trip, and we look forward to welcoming you again here in the Grand Aurelia.
Be sure